When children see us recycle bottles into festive decor, they learn that festival joy doesn't have to come from buying more. It can come from creating more. So the festival, let's choose wisely instead of throwing away. Let's wrap them in jute, decorate them with beads, colors them. Bottle recycling with jute and beadwork is more than just a hobby. It carries deep importance for the environment. It reduces waste. For festival, it brings unique personalized decoration. For your mind, it brings calm, focus, and joy. For your community, it's an example of sustainability living. When children see us recycle bottles into festive decor, they learn that festival joy doesn't have to come from buying more and expensive things. It can come from creating more to have. So teach them, give more to have more. Crafting is not only about beauty, it's about health. Psychologists say that activities like recycling craft, beadwork, and jute wrapping reduce stress and anxiety. When your hands are busy creating, your mind becomes calm. In the holiday season, when life often feels rushed and overwhelming, taking time to recycle bottles into art gives you a peaceful break. It's therapy without medicine, a way to heal your mind through creativity. So let's start. Welcome to today's creative journey. As the holiday season approaches, the world sparkles with lights, colors, and joy. But along with celebrations comes a lot of waste. Bottles, packaging, decoration used only once. What if this Christmas we turn recycling into an art of happiness? Today we will explore how bottle recycling combined with jute and beadwork can bring not only beauty to your home but also peace to your mind, health to your spirit, and importance to our environment. Every single day, countless bottles are thrown away. Soda bottles, juice bottles, wine bottles. At Christmas, that number rises even higher. But recycling these bottles doesn't just reduce waste, it transforms them into meaningful pieces of art. A recycled bottle can become a festival centerpiece, a candle holder, or even a tiny X-Max tree. Instead of buying plastic decor, we can craft with what we already have. Turning waste into wonder, this is how bottle recycling adds both value our home and care to our planet. Jute, known as the golden fiber, is earthy, rustic, and eco-friendly when wrapped around a bottle. It instantly gives a warm handmade look at festival day. You can decorate bottles by wrapping them in jute twine, adding red ribbons, green bows, or even tiny pine cone. The texture of jute is also creative calmness. When you work with it, you feel connected the nature, and when you place jute wrapped bottles around your home, they bring a cozy natural charm that feels healthier than plastic decoration. Now let's add some sparkle, beadwork, and insight out of patience and detail. When we combine beads with jute, something magical happens. Imagine a bottle wrapped in rustic jute with shimmering beads in red, green, silver, and gold, the traditional Christmas colors. Colors are not just decoration, they affect our mind where exists. Red excites us and energizes, green calms and balances, or recycled bottles add festive joy, while also giving your mind a moment of mindfulness. Every bead you glue, every pattern you design becomes a form of meditation. Crafting is not only about beauty, it's about health. Psychologists say that activities like recycling crafts, beadwork, and jute wrapping reduce stress and anxiety. When your hands are busy creating, Your mind becomes calm in the holiday season when life often feels rushed and overwhelming. Taking time to recycle bottle into art gives you a peaceful break. It's therapy without medicine, a way to heal your mind through creativity. And when you look at the final product, a glowing jute bottle lamp or a beaded Christmas vase, you feel a sense of achievement. The happiness is healthy for your heart and your mind. Bottle recycling with jute and beadwork is more than just a hobby, it carries deep importance. For the environment, it reduces waste. For Christmas, it brings unique personalized decoration for your mind. It brings calm, focus, and joy. For your community, it's an example for sustainable living. When children see us recycle bottles into festive decor, they learn that festival joy doesn't have to come from buying more. It can come from creating more. So this festival, let's choose wisely. Instead of throwing bottles away, let's wrap them in jute, decorate them with beads and fill them with colors, love and light. Let's make our home glow with creativity and our minds glow with peace. Remember, recycling is not just about saving the planet, it's about saving ourselves, our calmness and creativity, our connection to life. Thank you for joining me today. May your bottles come treasure, your colors bring joy, and your festival be filled with handmade happiness. What if this year, instead of letting waste pile up, we turn it into beauty? What if old bottles become shining festival decorations? And what if, while decorating, we also healing our minds, lifted our planets, and cared for the earth? Today I will take you through the art of recycling bottles with jute and beadwork and colors, acrylic paint, the beauty of color that soothes the mind, and the deeper importance of this mindful craft. Every bottle has a story. A juice bottle, a soda bottle, a wine bottle, they start as container, but once empty, they often end up as trash. Yet in reality, bottles are canvases waiting for us to transform them. This festival, instead of buying plastic ornaments, imagine creating your own decor by recycling bottles. A tall bottle can become a glowing lamp. A medium jar can turn into a festive vase, and a tiny one can become a candle holder. Recycling bottles for festival is not just craft. It's responsibility mixed with creativity. It's about saying, yes, I can celebrate, but I can celebrate with care. Now let's talk about jute, the golden fiber. When you wrap a bottle and you add a fairy light in jute twine, you instantly add warmth, texture, and rustic charm. Jute is natural, handmade, and close to earth. For festival, decor jute is magical. Imagine bottles. Wrapped in golden jute, tied with red ribbons, or decorated with tiny pine leaves. Place them by the fireplace on your dining table and add some fairy lights or near your festival tree, and they blend perfectly with the holiday spirit. Working with jute is also healthy for the mind. Its natural texture relaxes you, almost touching nature itself. Wrapping it slowly around a bottle teaches patience and focus, two things we often lose in the holiday rush. Now add a sparkle to the rustic base with beadwork, beads, and tiny, but they carry so much beauty by gluing or stitching beads into jute wrapped bottles. You bring out patterns that shine under Christmas lights. Think a silver bead beach. Follow for next.